So, today is the day I have finally saved up enough money to get myself a carbon trunk. See this? That's the hood. Today we are changing the rear end of the car with a nice beautiful carbon trunk. I've been waiting for this for a long time and now the time has come. I'm hoping everything goes well with it. And FD is in like a few days, so I want to make sure that this car is prepared for the show, because I'm going to be in the show inside the actual event in general. So this thing needs to look top tier and actually look like it's been changed, because I haven't touched anything in over a year because all of my money is going to the white G right now, as you guys watch. So we're going to head to the shop and get started. Alright, we at the shop now. Slowly getting the trunk prepared, ready to take it off. I'm gonna show y'all how to get going on that. And I got my box over here. Shout out to Fly One Motorsports, getting this thing here early. Originally the trunk is about a 10 to 12 week wait, which is a 2.5 month wait. And I was low-key kind of sad about it, but you know what, it is what it is. And then it showed up here a month and a half later, and I'm just like, yes, because like I explained before, I can go to these shows looking like I've touched the car somewhat, even though I'm really just changing a trunk, and hopefully it changes the look drastically. I don't know if you guys got a pry tool for the trunk. You got to get off all these clips, including this pull tab. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh wait, no, those are just bumper stops. Or trunk stops, my bad. But get all of these off, and then we'll get to the struts, and then we'll get to the bolts. Be careful with the bolts. Apparently a lot of people have a rough time with stripping them. I use a little gun if you got it, and just make sure you put even pressure and just zap it off. You might be lucky, you might not get lucky. I'm praying to God I get lucky and start getting all this off. Now half the time when you take all of these clips off, if you don't have a tool, you can use 2 flatheads or 1 flathead. Try not to lose them. They do break quite frequently if you're not careful, kind of like me right now. But that should be alright. You could probably go to a local parts store and just buy a whole bunch of them. To be honest, I don't even know if my trunk has the ports for getting all of this cover off and putting the clips back in, because I seen somebody on YouTube that they had to like drill their own holes, and I'm just like, I ain't really trust myself for drilling carbon fiber, if you know what I mean. But oh yeah, this guy come off too. I don't really know how to do this part, but damn, I don't want to break it. Here's big boy. For the pull tab, it's a little difficult to see, but just make sure you pull evenly and take your time, because I almost broke it a second ago, but you should be alright. Huh?
You don't need a light?
Nah, I don't think I need a light, bro. It's still...
You don't get the joke, the inside joke we got? You need a light?
Oh.
Yo,
I don't know.
Slower than a bag of rocks there, then.
Yes, yes. Here, you hold this for me.
Okay, now
you could just watch me for a second.
Unpaid labor.
Yes, sir. Why get an employee when you got your homies? When I think I got all the clips, there's always just an extra clip, bro.
There's one more, there's one more.
No way. Oh my God. That's 3 times in a row. That better be the last one, bro. I'm done. I'm done. Yeah, slide it through here. Oh, it glows in the dark. What do you know? Alright, hopefully I can put this back on. I'll leave that over here
right there. Alright, you want to tell him how I scared you, Danny?
Oh yeah, he made me check the trunk, right? I checked the trunk. And the stupidest thing ever, bro. These bolts, they're offset. You know, as a normal person putting stuff together, you expect everything to be about mirror image, right? My heart just sank. And I was like $1,600 down the drain. but it's whatever. We're good.
All right.
We're valid. Pop all this stuff
How many
off.
hours you got?
Oh,
What are you doing now? What are you trying to do now?
I'm trying to get the wiring out, but okay, that makes sense.
That's poly.
This I don't know where it comes from. Man. I don't know what to do about this. I don't know
What is that? Well, that probably goes to your third brake light.
Oh, yeah, I'm getting rid of that. Forgot. Okay, thank you for making me realize that. Huh?
Mechanic.
Hell yeah.
You know.
I'm a real mechanic using YouTube stuff. That's how it works nowadays.
We're YouTube mechanics.
Hell yeah.
Baby boy's struggling. There we go.
Hell yeah. Get this harness out.
There we go.
The thing I'm worried about is that he didn't have the small little holes that hold the harness up, so I might just have to tape them for now, because I am not drilling through carbon fiber. I don't trust myself.
I can do it. What are you doing now? Those two clips there for the trunk release?
Yeah, I'm hoping they come out okay.
They come on this side here.
I honestly don't know. Okay, yeah, they come out pretty good. Pretty simple. Cool. Now I can take off the latch. I'm gonna get a quick 10 mil. Got your 10 mil, if it wants to go on.
Struggling?
Yes. Don't lose these. For these little shocks, you just pull out the clip on each side.
And just...
Boop, boop. Okay, good. It doesn't smack all the way back, so my windshield should be fine. Let's get your next bit. For these holes over here, these bolts, you're going to need a T30 bit. It's a Torx bit. If you can, or know somebody that has a gun, or I should say a power drill, use their drill, because if you're using a ratchet, a lot of that like leverage torque is not fun, and you most likely will strip it, because a lot of people on YouTube in their videos have stripped those things, and it's not fun to drill them out, especially for the trunk. So just use a gun. You can keep all the pressure in the center and just let all the torque handle it. I already kind of did these. I'm gonna just break them loose for now. Yes.
All right.
You heard it here, folks. The first one without stripping their bolts on their trunk.
They're looking at me. Not the camera.
Leave me alone.
All right, Danny, what are you working on?
Looks like I'm drilling holes after all. We're
Okay.
drilling and filling holes, baby boy.
Show you like
I could
seven
like
of those
actually
clips.
just like mark everything.
It's a little clip.
Yo,
It's
yeah, get
it's
a,
silver clip.
you don't have a paint marker?
Dude, that shit scares me every time. Sorry.
You sure?
Too late now?
Why don't you
Is
just
that
put
one right here?
I think so.
Why don't you just put that on top and then?
Yeah, I was about to. I just wanted to make sure if I'm...
Yeah, put it on top and screw through, bro. It's easier. Wow, that should make sense here. Any day now.
Sorry. I'm putting really light pressure.
I was thinking the same thing. I'm like, what? Is this the only metal part of the whole entire thing? Wait, why are you putting the fabric on?
Why am I putting what?
Why are you putting the fabric on?
I was like, might as well at this point.
Oh, okay.
They
We're-
like you get infraction points.
We're in night class, so they don't give a fuck. Dude, Matt drinks on his fucking brakes, and he did donuts in the fucking parking lot.
Wow.
Oh, look at the little kitty.
Where?
Yeah, they're everywhere.
This motherfucker.
What do you think about
Nature?
Sarah? And now
So-
we're doing what, Sarah?
Yeah. We gonna take off the trunk now?
We are going to. Proper English here, bro.
Shut the...
Alright, you got the trunk yourself?
Yep.
I'm letting go. I let go. Dude, I let go. Just so you know.
You let it go?
Yo, Sarah, this looks fire, bro.
Yo, rock it with no trunk.
I'll take the light from you if you want.
Now put it up on Facebook Marketplace and tell people you know what you got.
Dude, hold that.
10K.
10K OBO. No trunk.
No, no OBO. Price is firm.
I know what I got.
Yep.
I know what I
This
got.
motherfucker with the camera.
I'm gonna need 2 people to hold this.
Are you using the old bolts?
I got the camera.
Somebody go on the other side.
Yo, Luca, go on the. I got the
can do
camera. I
the
got the light.
All right. Go to the top 2.
Everyone, hold it in place. Don't fucking scratch it.
Okay, so last night I wasn't really able to finish like the way I wanted to. Wow, pause. But the trunk is on. It's basically done now. I off camera did some adjustments just to get the fitment a little bit better. I don't think it's gonna get as good as I would like it to. That's aftermarket, you know. That's aftermarket, it happens. And what else? What else did I do?
Oh, we drilled the holes.
Oh yeah, we drilled the holes. I gotta put all the guts back together basically, which shouldn't be that hard at this point. And another thing you guys should know is that when you're putting your trunk together, the top has these OEM T30 bits, right? Try to reuse these as best as you can, or maybe buy new ones, because if you use the bolts that are supplied with the trunk just for shipment purposes, so your threads don't get messed up, reuse the top ones at least, because if you use something that has a regular head like this, it's going to get blocked on the top of the strut, and you want to be able to close your trunk. I couldn't figure it out for like 15 minutes, and I was getting mad annoyed until somebody noticed. So I put these 2 back in, and we're chilling. Okay. Put these bolts in slow, because they may not line up great. And then these are all the holes that we drilled, as you guys probably seen. And then here's how the trunk is looking right now. Thing is looking like a beauty. Damn. God damn! Oh man, I love it, bro. The fitment's okay.
Is it worth the money?
Well worth the $1,600, bro. But the gapping is okay. It's pretty good on this side. It's like a hair bit bigger on this side, but I tried to adjust it as much as I can. It's not really going anywhere. And then another thing too is these bolts over here, the 2 10 mils, they are not very well spaced apart, like on the trunk. So when you take your latch off, it already has somewhat of a slot on this side. You might actually have to take a drill bit and slot it further, because that was my issue. I didn't want to strip the bolts, but everything's good now. Trunk feels great, pops in place, looks good with the blue. Makes me want to leave the red tails now, low-key, but I gotta get clear tails. I have to.
I like the red, it puts color in the rear.
It does. You're not wrong. I don't know, man. Cause I literally got the chrome headlights just to make the chrome tails work. Coming together, slowly but surely. And the best part is, I can see the duckbill out of the rear window, so I can see how far I'm backing up. Because sometimes when you can't see the trunk, you get a little too close. But hey, it helps me. That's a driving hack. Get yourself a duckbill for $1,600.
Just cut the trunk up and put a backup camera in it.
Yeah, no, that's not happening. I'm not cutting up the trunk.
I would.
No,
that
you're
shit is
not.
so satisfying to cut shit up, bro.
No.
Love it.
All right, let's get these guts in. Pause. Is that a pause? I don't think that's a pause. Okay, never mind. All right, we about to start throwing the interior together. Look at that. We gotta show them, bro.
You got another clip?
Hola, hola.
Yo, do you have another clip, Danny?
Soy Dora.
Yo, you
Can you find the chanclas? Oh, never mind.
do you have a clip?
But yeah, look at these clips, boy. Ooh, this fits nicely.
I have a clip.
Hell yeah. Yo, that looks nice.
Dude, that's not going anywhere either.
Word. Let's give it one more little close. Watch your hand. Wow. I got the fitment a little bit better, but nothing crazy.
No, it looks pretty even, dude. Right? Wait.
Wow.
Yeah, that shit looks like
that looks OEM, bro. by yours truly.
Fuck this thing.
Yeah, no, dude.
So what are your impressions?
Your fitment's pretty good.
Okay.
As far as like being further away, you really can't tell anything. The only thing I see is like this corner is a little bit more out than this corner, but like everything
That's
else
just
is
like
pretty fine.
aftermarket molding, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no. You can kind of tell in the body line up the top. But that, it's like minor.
Well, to be fair, a lot of G's, they pop up a little bit.
I'm talking right here.
Oh,
This-
yeah,
this,
yeah.
But like, dude, you really like, you're not gonna notice it unless you're actually.
You're like
fucking-
really nitpicking it.
Yeah. Like, first, bro, think about most people at a fucking car meet. Whoa, man, that looks fucking cool.
Yeah, right?
Am I wrong?
And now we can put this piece back on.
No one that's gonna go in there like, oh.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Nobody's gonna actually fucking do that shit.
This piece accidentally fell off when I was washing my car. Yo, hold it real quick.
Dude,
Are you
that's
serious?
That's gonna look good, right?
That shit
Yeah.
flew off?
Huh?
That shit flew off?
Nah, when we was washing our car the other day,
It flew off?
it didn't fly off, but it started like flapping.
Feeling?
Yeah. Alright, unfortunately my camera was about to die, so I had to charge it a little bit. But I got my carbon fiber piece on the window splitter or visor, rear visor, whatever you want to call it. But now everything is piecing together, looking very nice. Ties into place. Yes sir, yes sir. I'm about to try to go outside, have the boys roll around with me and get some rollers.